In this video, we are going to talk about labels and funnels option in WhatsApp provided by Eazybe extension. So here you can see I have already logged into my WhatsApp and already installed Eazybe extension. So you will see a plus sign above which is our add label sign. Just click on add label and you will see a create label window will appear. Here are two options. First is label, second is funnel. Suppose we want to create a label, just click on label and here are two other options. First is personal, second is shared. So personal labels are those labels who are only visible to us, which is our personal use. And shared labels are those labels which are shared by our organization. So what we have to do, name the label, suppose WhatsApp, and just create it. Now, when we have created a label named WhatsApp, it gives us an option to add people. Suppose we want to add this people, just click on it and click on save. So this person will be added to WhatsApp label. Same like this, we have to create a funnel. So just go to create label and switch it to funnel and add the stages. Stage 1, stage 2. These stages are the progress of our clients. That means in what stage our client is at. So we can see the progress of our clients. So this is the simple process to create a label or funnel inside WhatsApp by using Eazybe extension.